Are you a mom who struggles to find time to wash their hair because literally wash day takes the whole day? If that's you, this video is for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing my 1 hour, yes, I said it, 1 hour wash day routine with you. Hey, fam, welcome back to my channel. So to prep my hair for this wash session, I did an overnight pre-poo, so pre-shampoo treatment using coconut oil. Before I start anything, I like to fully saturate my hair with warm water. This helps to just loosen up any product buildup in preparation for the rest of my wash session. And then I like to apply a good rinse out conditioner that particularly contains silicones in there. This just helps to make my detangling process so much easier. So I apply it to all of my hair and then apply it in sections. This helps the conditioner to marinate in time for the next step, which is detangling. Take note of how much time I'm spending to smooth the conditioner throughout my hair. This isn't a mistake. I do this one to give it an even spread throughout my strands and also to help, as I said, smooth my hair and also loosen up some of those tangles. Now the real work begins, detangling in sections. So this used to be something I used to dread back in the days, but I love this now. It only takes me, believe it or not, 30 minutes to detangle my full head. So what I like to do is to start off with my fingers. So I finger detangle first, and then I move on to a detangling brush. Once again, NT fam, it's so important that I use a really good rinse out conditioner that has good slip at this point. This is the reason why detangling my hair doesn't take forever, because this conditioner has good slip and really makes my detangling session much faster. Now, I like to detangle my hair before shampooing because my hair is tangle prone, and this just makes my life so much easier and also helps to speed up wash day, I find personally, starting off with detangling and then moving on to the relevant steps. So now that I'm done with this section, I twist it up so it doesn't get tangled back up again, and then I move to the next section, literally just repeating the same steps until I'm done. Before we continue, if you're a mom who's natural or transitioning to natural, but you're currently feeling, frustrated, overwhelmed, feeling like you have failed because you don't know how to care for your little one's natural hair, and you want to go from feeling that way to feeling confident, proud, accomplished, and confidently caring for your little one's natural hair so that you can teach your little one how to love their hair and themselves unapologetically, change their hair story, and create new generational cycles. Please, mamas, I want to talk to you. Click the link below this video in the description box and book a call with me. Let's see if we would be a good fit to work together so I can help you on this journey. So now that I've completed detangling my hair, usually I end up with 8 to 10 sections detangling my hair. I then rinse out the conditioner from my hair and then move on to the next step of this wash session, and that is to shampoo in those same twists. And I shampoo in the twist so that my hair once again doesn't get tangled back up. I have disrespectful shrinkage, and if I don't do this, my hair just tangles straight back up. I really like to take my time when I am shampooing my hair, particularly focusing on my scalp. Scalp health is super important for me, so I like to really take my time at this step, no rushing this process, just to help to lift off all of that build up from my scalp and from my hair so that I can start on a clean slate. So once I'm done, now it's time to deep condition again in sections. So I apply the deep conditioner to my hair, and as you can see, I'm really taking my time to smooth the deep conditioner into my hair, and then I will twist that section up. So once I'm done applying deep conditioner to my hair, I then literally just put a plastic bag over my head or a cling film, anything like that, just to trap in that heat a bit more to help warm up the deep conditioner and let it work its magic. And then I rinse. I usually leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I have a bath and then rinse it out. Now if I am washing my hair out of the baths, out of the shower, usually I would use a heated cap that I plug in, and I leave that on my head for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it. So depending on how I'm washing my hair will depend on what I'm going to use once I've applied the deep conditioner to my hair. I then use a microfiber towel to dry my hair. NC fam, I recently reached tailbone length hair, and this has been a big milestone for me after being stuck at between shoulder length hair and bra strap length for years. If you want to know my top 5 secrets for finally getting me to tailbone length hair, check out the video on the bottom left hand corner of this screen so you can also get to the lengths that you desire.